Your life flows by. Events, people, information. And you want to have the space to do whatever you want without any limits. And here is the road. You are free to roam. The whole world is ahead, waiting to be discovered. A land with ancient relic forests is greeting you warmly. Upon the crowns of centuries-old trees rises an old tower. There isn't one like this in the entire world. Epochs flew by it. Its walls saw destiny-making unions being made. And brave regiments went to critical battles from here. Today, ancient Kamianec is a city from where all journeys start. And the road carries you further, onward. These fields and groves, full of game, were hunting territories for great kings, princes and emperors. Even now, it seems like a hunting horn can blow any minute, and a cavalcade of richly dressed courtiers will spring out. The history of this part of the world is truly rich. The walls of the castles, palaces and churches will tell you about the great times. They remember the rise and fall of magnate generations, the pompous visits of kings, and bloody battles with enemies. You are welcomed by tidy little villages with beautiful gingerbread-like houses, as if you have just stepped into a picture. This soil has produced the hero of 2 continents, and here died the last king of the great country from sea to sea. Today, the hunting guns were replaced with cameras, and the travelers leave Pružany civilization behind and venture deep into the Belarusian Sea. Here it is, an ancient, mysterious forest. You feel that it's still home to those kind of creatures from legends and tales. The mysteries are surrounding you, and the forest is constantly calling. It has its own laws. It is observing you, but you are unafraid, like a child in a gentle giant's hands. The rivers carry us across the depth of centuries. You dissolve in this world, and the bubbling water becomes a song sung by the forest spirits. And just when you think you've had enough, the road of your adventure takes an unexpected turn. The impressions from today get mixed up, and you are involved in a whirlpool of new events. You are welcomed with hospitality and warmth from new acquaintances who suddenly become your close friends. You will see the ancient traditions, games and dances. We'll hear the songs from unique Belarusian soul. Here, in full harmony with nature and the universe, you will feel happy and calm. But this is not everything. Tomorrow, you will be ready for amazing new discoveries in this ancient corner of Europe.